Hi and welcome to the demo of Dealership Reactivation Dashboard. This is a smart solution designed by Perceptive Analytics to help businesses re-engage inactive dealership locations. We created this dashboard for a client in manufacturing and retail industry. This dashboard helps sales executives quickly identify dormant dealerships and reignite their engagement to boost sales. At the top, we have analysis period for reference. This can be adjusted from the drop-down here. We can select start date and end date for the dormant period. Any dealership with zero or no sales during the selected time is flagged as dormant. For example, we have chosen the year 2023 as our dormant period. During this time, 436 locations were dormant, meaning they did not order anything. Out of these, 118 locations have started ordering again. These are now reactivated, while 318 locations are still inactive. We can see a list of all dealers along with the number of active and inactive locations for each dealer. On the right side, we can locate all these locations on map. Red markers indicate inactive locations with no recent orders, while green markers indicate reactivated sites that have started ordering again. Let's click on Loomis Lighting for an example. We can clearly see that 11 locations are dormant for this dealer and 6 locations have been reactivated. Right here, we get a list of all these inactive locations. LLC Retail is the top customer in this list with 0.6 million sales per year. We have their contact details and the name of assigned salesperson as well. This location can be contacted to encourage them to start ordering again and reactivate their sales account. Now let's switch over to the reactivated locations view with a single click. Here we are looking at locations that were dormant but have started buying again. For example, this particular customer is a top customer in this list with high sales. Let's click here and select this customer to see their sales trends. This customer was inactive for almost a year and has now come back with strong sales. We should monitor this customer and track their buying behavior to fuel their momentum. We can also spot this location with negative sales. It shows a high volume of product returns. Let's click and select this location. By looking at the sales trend, we can see that this customer was actively ordering in October 2022, then stopped ordering for about a year and returned a large amount of products in March 2024. They showed some growth again, but had another spike in returns in June. To understand what went wrong, we can look at the order details in the table below. Most of the returns were from the mini light and adapter categories. Their most recent purchase was from the accessories category. This kind of insight helps sales teams figure out what the customer really wants and adjust their strategy or product mix to better serve them. This customer can be monitored and directly contacted to revitalize their sales. So with this dashboard, sales executives can easily identify dormant dealer locations, track reactivated customers, understand their buying behavior, and take action to revive sales and grow their accounts. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.